Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a big shout out to my middle son, his wife, and my lovely granddaughter, Zoe. Thank you. They came to a party mid-October, and they knew I had all the Monster Highs and how I love the Monster Highs. This is my favorite Monster High. It used to be Zoe's. Actually, it still is. It's just going to live here for a while. I'm very excited about it. It's my new favorite doll. I'm going to get a gold chain and put an ankle bracelet on her and a necklace so that I never ever confuse it with any other Monster Highs that I have. She will stay out all year. Thanks, guys.